I always get asked about like, oh, can I just do chicken on this diet? I'm like, well, tell me that 2 months along the line you won't be eating nearly as much chicken. It's a good question, and I absolutely completely understand where it's coming from. Chicken, the Western world where we live, is absolutely indicated in every supermarket what you go to. We can't find we can find chicken snacks, chicken ready meals, easy peasy. Now try and go to the shop, go to your local Morrison's, find a beef curry, then look for a chicken curry. You'll find about tenfold more chicken curries than beef curries. It's part of it is the culture aspect of it, and I think that's a minor, but also what Phil certainly said. The thing about chicken is it does actually have, with the exception of one or two, being I believe zinc and iron, it does actually have more minerals in it per 100 grams than beef. So if you're someone that is needing or requiring more iron or more B12 or zinc for repair, you go to the gym, it's going to have the creatine in it. It's your body saying, okay, this has a nutritional profile that is absolutely perfectly aligned with what I'm trying to achieve. And Lee also touched on a good point, and I can't stress that enough. Do not have the hyperpalatable foods first if your goal is body composition. Now, when it comes to Christmas Day, which is coming in about a month and a half or so, I'm going to be eating all the cheese first. I'm not trying to be perfect. I'm going to do that for the hedonism, the enjoyment factor. But yeah, I think that chicken tends to be leaner, less nutritious overall for a lot of people, less similar to human meat, in my opinion. Not that I've tried it, but to what I've extrapolated from looking at the amino acid composition of a human being, muscle tissue, versus a cow versus chicken, poultry. Yeah, it's much more similar. So I think eating more similar to what we try to achieve through the diet is key. And no, eating eyeballs is not going to grow back a set of eyeballs if you're blind. It's not going to work that way, guys. But it may help with some sort of antioxidant capacity in some kind of way like that. But yeah, that's my 2 cents.